Hello friends, this is another prediction task in the Sparks Internship, and it is the task 6, which is to create the decision tree classifier and visualize it graphically. What's the purpose of this classifier? So the purpose of this classifier is if we feed any new data to this classifier, it would be able to predict the right class accordingly. The given data set is the iris data set here. The programming language which I have used is Python, and the environment uses Google Colab. So let's go into the notebook. Since it is in Google Colab, I have imported files from Google Drive. So this is the command for that. And now we have imported the libraries NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib.pyplot, scikit-learn from scikit-learn tree, scikit-learn.tree import decision tree classifier, and from model selection I have also imported train test split. Now as a this is the data frame. We have created the data frame, and this is how the data looks, and it is around 150,6 the shape. This is the input, these are the inputs, and this is the output, which is this is the output. Species is the output. So now we will split the data into training and test sets. So this is the command train test split, and the test size is zero point 0.1, which amounts is 0.1, which is around 10%, which is around 50 test data points in the test set. So now if before going into applying classifiers or something, or applying any state of the art algorithms, we will first transform, or we will scale it using the standard scaler and on both the training and test sets. So now this is the decision tree classifier. The criteria I have used is entropy. More can be looked on the scikit-learn website, and I have now fit the classifier with X-train and Y-train. Now predicting on the test set, this is the prediction. Now developing the confusion matrix and getting the accuracy score metric. So confusion matrix actually plots how much, gives us roughly an idea of what is the amount of data which has been predicted correctly and which have been predicted false positive or false negatives. And here we can see that since the data set is very small, test set is around 135 data points, we can see that this decision tree classifier actually predicted very well and have actually score around 100%. So accuracy is 100% on this small data set, and as we can see on the diagonals are the true positives. So it has classified all the test set data points correctly. So now for our visualization purpose, here is the decision tree. We can see how the decision tree has been framed. So it's quite long, but it roughly gives us an idea of how decision has been made and how the data has been classified by this decision tree algorithm, and it gives us a quite good results on a small data set. So we can see that on like entropy samples, number of samples in each, so it gives us a very quite comprehensive view. So this is my decision tree which I have bought. Thank you.